Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make churros step by step. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Heat the water, butter, sugar, and salt in a saucepan until it boils. Remove from heat, then quickly stir in the flour until a ball of dough forms. Let it cool for about 10 minutes. Now, let's get to the fun part. Load your slightly cooled churro dough into a piping bag fitted with a large star tip. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe 4-inch strips of dough directly into the hot oil, using scissors to cut them. Fry the churros for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Once your churros are fried to perfection, it's time to coat them. In a shallow dish, mix 1/2 cup of granulated sugar with 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Carefully remove the hot churros from the oil and place them on a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. While still warm, roll each churro generously in the cinnamon sugar mixture until it's completely coated. Serve these delicious treats immediately with chocolate sauce or dulce de leche. For the best churros, always maintain a consistent oil temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Frying in batches prevents overcrowding and keeps the oil hot, ensuring crispy results. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't worry if your first batch isn't flawless. Also, for staying refreshed, check out the Owala water bottle and other great deals linked in the description below. Enjoy your delicious, homemade churros with your loved ones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.